Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original knot here. This is the Rubyfruit knot. Let's go ahead and get started. Again, you know the drill, guys. Left hand side here. The left side is going to go down to the belt line as usual. We're going to come over here. We're just going to put a dimple in. Come over here. Bring it over here like so. We're going to come around. We're going to come down like this. Then we're going to come around like this here. Bring it like that. Come around like so. Put it down like this. So we have this going right here. I'm going to come over here like this. Fold it up. Come down like that. If I have anything left, then I'll come back through here. And I do. And there you have it. Let me put my collar down so you know what it looks like. There it is right there. So again, you guys know what to do. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials and check out Stylish Leadership as well. That's a great channel we got building over there. So, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. Peace and God bless.